Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. In Python, accessing system paths is a common task, especially when dealing with file manipulation, configuration files, or module imports. Python provides several ways to access system paths depending on the requirements of your script or application. Here, we'll explore some of the common methods to get system paths using Python. The sys module in Python provides access to some variables used or maintained by the Python interpreter and to functions that interact strongly with the interpreter. The sys.path variable is a list of strings that specifies the search path for modules. It includes the directories that Python searches for modules when importing. The OS module in Python provides a portable way of using operating system-dependent functionality. It allows you to interact with the operating system, including accessing system paths. The os.getCould function returns a string representing the current working directory. The pathlib module offers an object-oriented approach to handling file system paths. It's available in Python 3.4 and later. The path.home method returns a path object representing the user's home directory. In this tutorial, you learn different methods to access system paths using Python. Depending on your specific use case, you can choose the appropriate method from sys, os, or pathlib modules to work with system paths effectively in your Python scripts or applications. Feel free to explore more functionalities provided by these modules for advanced file and directory manipulation tasks in Python. ChatGPT